They say that great things come in small packages, and this is certainly the case with a small town in Batangas, and that is big in history, culture, and natural beauty. San Nicolas is all about 14.34 square kilometers of land area, making it the smallest municipality in Batangas. Even so, San Nicolas's jurisdiction includes half of Taal Volcano Island. Precariously nestled at the foot of this active volcano, this part of San Nicolas is a natural jump-off point for ecotourism activities in the area, including boat rides and exciting treks to the volcano's crater. The natural beauty and the people of San Nicolas, Batangas require, of course, a leadership, and that leadership is provided by the local executives.
Hi Mayor, welcome to Thumbs Up. Mayor, ano ba ang pinagmamalaki ng San Nicolas, Batangas?
Una, yung Taal Volcano. At dahil itong Taal Volcano ay ito ang pinagmamalaki ng San Nicolas dahil nasa amin yung 1965 crater, only in San Nicolas. Then, kung pupunta ka doon sa 1911 crater, you can go directly to the 1911 crater. You can touch the water, the sulfuric water here. That is the lake within a lake.
Paano pumunta doon, Mayor?
Mula dito sa bayan ng San Nicolas ay 30 minutes boat ride. From Barangay Alasas, pwede kang dumiretso sa 1965 crater. Na kung saan pag nasa taas ka na, makikita mo na yung buong paligid ng lawa at yung naka-realign na fish cages na allowed sa Taal Volcano sa aming lugar, 800. At pag gusto mo pang dumiretso hanggang doon sa 1911 ay may ginawa kaming daan dyan. At last year, at mula ng 2008 nilagyan namin ng tanim, more or less 100,000 trees and fruit-bearing trees na aming naitanim dyan. Para pagdating ng panahon ay yan ang magiging shade ng mga turista na pupunta sa trekking, na nagti-trekking pumuntang 1965 down to 1911. At mula sa baba hanggang doon sa 1911, kung mag-horseback riding ka, it takes 1 hour.
Taon na po ako nangangabayo dito sa Barangay Alasas, San Nicolas. Punta po kayo dito at dadalhin ko po kayo sa 1911 Taal Crater Lake.